Good morning and welcome back to LFCS News Bulletin of October 2025. I'm your host Asfiya Javed from Class 8th A and campus is buzzing with energy. We have got big news headlines, so let's start this series. On 2nd of October, LFCS Nizamuddinpura celebrated the birth anniversaries of one of the greatest leaders and social reformers, Mahatma Gandhi, and the second Prime Minister of India, Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri, and Shri Murlidhar Yadav, one of the most visionary person and the director of LFCS group of schools. How can we forget the contribution of these three people? Mahatma Gandhi, known as father of nation, sacrificed everything to make India free. Lal Bahadur Shastri also worked to make India powerful. Murli sir is also working to improve the education system and produce more talented and skilled students for developing our nation. On that day, Murli sir cut a cake with small kids and distributed sweets among poor on the name of Mahatma Gandhi and Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri. On 4th of October, LFCS Nizamuddinpura organized a training workshop of Hindi subject. Every year, Nizamuddinpura branch organizes workshop for teachers, students and guardians to enhance their skill. This time, the objectives of this workshop was to improve the teaching skills of Hindi teachers so that they would be able to inculcate their skill to the mind of students. On 9th of October 2025, every year Nizamuddinpura branch organizes debates on different recent topics. So, in the guidance of PGT Hindi teacher Mr. Vinay Pandey, a debate was organized on 9th October. The topic was Operation Sindoor, correct or incorrect. The related students gave their points either in favor or against the topic. Their logical points were praised by the judgment board. On that same day, one health checkup camp was organized by ESIC. ESIC members came early in a school campus and checked the teachers' BP, diabetes, and one doctor prescribed the medicines. This checkup camp was held in favor of teachers. ESIC stands for Employees State Insurance Corporation. On 11th of October, after half-yearly exam, one PTM was organized in a school campus. The guardians came to collect their ward's mark sheet and talk to the class teachers and respective subject teachers. In a very fair weather, all guardians talked and tried to find a solution of their ward's low-grade performance in half-yearly examination. On 13th of October, one student of LFCS Nizamuddinpura was appointed SDM of our city for one day. The name of this student is Aditi Prakash, studying in 9th A. That student was welcomed by SDM Sadar in his office. She settled some of the matters sitting in SDM office. This project has been started by administration to inspire among the students the charm of public administration sector. On that same day, one awareness program was launched in a school campus by Sadar Hospital Mahila. It was related to HIVs and STIs, also known as STDs, sexually transmitted diseases. One ladies doctor and one attendant came to instruct the girls to make them aware about HIV and STDs. On 15th of October, again one student was elected as SO of GRP for one day. That student name is Anshika Chaudhary from class 7th A. She reached the office of SO welcomed by railway employees and did her duty in guidance of present SO. Diwali was celebrated on 18th of October. The students of a school brought diyas from their homes to enlighten. All diyas were enlightened in rows and songs and dances were presented. Kedia sir explained why Deepavali is celebrated all over the world. Sweets were distributed among teachers and gifts were given to all helpers. All students and teachers wished a happy, healthy and prosperous Deepavali to one another. On 25th of October, in the celebration series, the school celebrated Chhath Puja in a school campus. These celebrations are organized in a school campus to make students aware of rich Indian culture. On this day, Principal of LFCS Nizamuddinpura, Sarita Kedia explained why Chhath Puja is celebrated. On 25th and 26th October, many teachers went to Little Flower International School for a training workshop organized by CBSE to show them challenges in front of teaching profession. In that training, Teachers learned how to overcome the challenges, developing the new teaching skills. On 26th of October, Little Flower group of schools organized intra-school sports competition in which all branches of LFCS took part. Many types of games were organized in different groups. 50-meter race, 100-meter race, 200-meter race, 400-meter race and 4 into 100-meter relay race were organized. Not only race competitions but many more sports competitions were played in Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Stadium, Mau. LFCS Nizamuddinpura took part in all competitions and surprisingly won many of them. We got 4th rank in all-round performances. Our director Murlidhar Yadav gave trophies and medals to respective participants. As disciplined warriors, all teachers and students proved their presence in that sports meet. On 31st October, proudly observed as Rashtriya Ekta Divas, making the 158th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as Iron Man of India. The celebration successfully highlighted his crucial role in unifying over 560 princely states into the great nation of India. That's all the news for now, but the stories keep breaking, so stay tuned and stay updated and follow for more. Thank you.